Good morning and welcome to GrainTV. It's July 27th, 2012. To my left is Logan Burgess and I'm Brock Shimbino. Outside markets are supportive this morning. The dollar index is off sharply, and Landworth came out with their most recent yield estimates.
Yeah, Brock, well, Landworth did come out with a very low number here for corn yield estimates. We're looking at 122 bushels per acre here. Out from them, 35.7 bushels of beans per acre here. That was pretty low here. It looks like that is supporting trade in the early going here. In a few minutes here, we're also going to be getting Informa numbers. That's also going to be a market mover. We'll be tweeting about that at GrainTV is where you can find us. Let's hop into Fire Tip, take a look at these live quotes and see how the market's trading here this morning.
Old crop corn is up 15.5 cents. Old crop beans up 34. Wheat in Chicago up 24 cents. Kansas City up 23 3/4. Oil is up 94 cents this morning, and look again at that dollar index. We're also off sharply again the third day in a row.
Yeah, Brock, well, it really is. Let's hop over here and look at actually a daily chart here on this dollar index. And as you can see here, we have traded down for 3 days here. We're actually now below this 20-day moving average here. This kind of this dark blue line here is that 20-day moving average. It looks like we may be due for more of a correction here. Certainly, it's going to help out on the export sales front. A lot of people are talking about those abysmal corn exports we saw yesterday. That should help U.S. grain become more competitive on the world front if we do have that dollar index backing off here a little bit. The only thing that's really going to help these grains, though, pump their brakes on this Friday afternoon is some precipitation forecasts, which are improving. We got some information out from Planalytics this morning. Brock, you want to kind of take us through what we're looking at here?
Yeah, it looks like going out through the weekend, not a whole lot of precipitation is anticipated for much of the Midwest, as you can see here by these weather maps. But as we move into the early part of next week, our best chances for precipitation are coming into Tuesday and Wednesday. As you take a look here, Wednesday looks like we're going to get up to an inch and a half in some of those regions that desperately need rain right now. Southern Illinois, Indiana, northern Missouri, those areas look like they have a good shot of getting rain on Wednesday next week.
Right, Brock. Well, the grains are going to be watching this closely. But, really, we were talking about this earlier. I think the soybean complex is really going to be the most sensitive to weather developments here. We're getting a good portion of this crop coming into the pod filling stage. If we can get some beneficial rains, it could really help out the yields out of this. Corn, a lot of people are kind of viewing as gone at this point. But we'll have to keep an eye on that. Certainly, we'll keep you posted on Twitter at GrainTV as these weather developments come out. We'll also be getting the Commitment of Traders report out this afternoon. We'll be tweeting about that too. I think that kind of wraps up our show here for Friday morning on GrainTV. Thanks a lot for joining us. Have a great weekend. We'll see you Monday.